When you replace anger with love, you will have full of answers. You will find that you are more at peace, you are more relaxed, you are more soothing from within. Because love can transform our state of negative into the state of positive. And how do we do this? Use your wisdom. The moment when you see something that agitates you or aggravates you, just take a moment to pause, stop, and return to yourself and fill yourself with love. I love myself enough that I see everybody else need love too. It's just that sometimes we get caught in our own ideas, perception, and thoughts, and we want to make things happen in our own way. But sometimes people do different things and it will be out of the expectation. So the cause and the condition of all things will give rise to all the emotion from within. To cultivate, to self-discipline is the moment you return inward, you return to yourself, and you use your wisdom to examine yourself. And this is how you truly transform your state of anger, your state of guilt, your state of frustration into the state of calmness, relax, love. You know, there's a saying, practice yourself like water, practice yourself like love. Then everywhere you go, you become the lovable. Everybody can truly love you, can truly come and talk to you, or just being close to you. So the energy of love, it takes a true person. If you want to practice that, first you have to recognize that I am full of love. I am full of life, full of joy and happiness. And for me to see this through meditation, through self-reflecting, you can sit, you can stand anywhere, you can be at any moment and still look inwards and train this for yourself. See it for yourself. The three modes of existence. See the impermanence of this body, the impermanence of this life, so that you can have love for everybody else. Why? Because I feel that everybody needs love just as I do need for myself. So in this understanding, now we can spread our love bigger, wiser, as we live, as we walk through life. I hope you have a wonderful journey, well practiced. Keep it up with your meditation. Smile and keep it fresh. Buddha love you, and so do I.